Hello, today we are working on Pythagorean theorem, and this time we are looking for any missing side on a triangle. So the missing side could be either the hypotenuse or it could be one of the legs, like in example 3. So we're going to do two different kinds of these problems. We're going to start with number 1. Number 1 gave us both legs. So they gave us the A and the B. We are trying to find C. Remember, our formula for Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. All right, we're going to next substitute in the numbers we know. Okay, so for the value of A, we have 5 squared. For the value of B, we have 5, and we don't know the value of C. Our next step is to simplify by performing the exponents. So 5 squared is the same as 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. We have another 5 squared, which is 25. And that equals our c squared. Next, we're going to add together these two values. 25 plus 25 is 50. Okay, so if c squared equals 50, that means the value of c equals the square root of 50. And if you go to your calculator, find the square root of 50, you get 7.07 for the value of c. So that's number 1 if you're looking for the hypotenuse. Number 3 asks us to find the value of the missing leg, which is one of the sides on next to the right angle, not across from, okay? So when I label my A, B, and C here, I've got my A and my B, where the B is missing, and they gave us our C value. So if I'm going to substitute into my formula, I'm going to fill in 3 for A. I don't know what B is, so I'm going to use the letter B, but C is 8. After I substitute in my numbers, I can then perform the exponents. So 3 times 3 is 9. 8 times 8 is 64. And then when I simplify, I can't add these together because notice the 9 and the 64 are on opposite sides of that equal sign. I have to subtract 9 from both sides. So I get that b squared equals 55, which means that b by itself is the square root of 55, which is 7.42. Okay, so remember, if they give you both of the legs and you're trying to find the hypotenuse, you're going to square the numbers, add them, and then take the square root. If they only give you one leg and then they give you the hypotenuse, you're going to square the numbers, subtract, and then take the square root.